Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make a smart light lamp UV transition delay. So here in this project we are going to control the LED with an LDR. So when there will be darkness, the LED will turn on, and when there is light, the LED will turn off. But here when the LDR will detect light, the LED will turn off, but it will take some time to turn off, and then when the light is removed, it's completely dark, it will take some time to turn on. So this transition delay is caused by the capacitor that we are using. So let us see the components required for the circuit. One breadboard, one battery, a potentiometer, one LDR, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, 470 ohm resistor, NPN transistor, BC547, LED, 470 microfarad capacitor, 555 timer, and some connecting wires. So let us start the connections. First of all, we will place the 555 timer on the breadboard. Now we will short pin 2 and pin 6 of the 555 timer. Then pin 4 and pin 8 of the 555 timer. We will take a 470 microfarad capacitor, connect its longer leg, which is the positive, to pin 2, and the shorter leg to the negative rail of the breadboard. Any components in this circuit which needs to be connected to pin 2 can also be connected to pin 6, since both pin 2 and 6 are shorted. Now we will take the 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. We have to short the wiper terminal and terminal 2 of the potentiometer. So if this is the potentiometer, we have to short these 2 pins. So first we will short the potentiometer pins like this. And then connect any one pin to pin 6. Then we will take an LDR, connect its one terminal to pin 6 and other terminal to the positive rail. Then the other terminal of the potentiometer is connected to the negative rail of the breadboard. Then we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect one of its terminal to pin 3, and the other terminal we need to connect to the base of the transistor. So place the transistor on the breadboard. The base of the transistor is connected to the other end of the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now take a 470 ohm resistor, connect one terminal to the collector pin of the transistor and other pin to the positive rail. Then take a LED, connect the positive terminal, that is the longer leg, to the emitter, and the shorter leg, the negative terminal, to the negative rail of the breadboard. We will take one more wire and connect pin 1 of the IC to the negative rail, and then pin 8 of the IC to the positive rail. Our connection is completed. We will connect the battery. Once you connect the battery, the LED turns on. If it is not turning on, then you can adjust the potentiometer. So after now we will put light on the LDR. As you can see, the LED turns on, but it takes time to turn off. Then it will turn on automatically, as you can see. So here, as soon as I remove the light from the LDR, it takes some time for the LED to turn on. So if the LED is continuously glowing or if it is not turning on, you can adjust the potentiometer to adjust the sensitivity. So that is all about the circuit. Thank you.